Our school is actually a blending of two school systems. SNA, which is part of 60 schools around Vietnam that have been educating Vietnamese kids for years, and Marianapolis Prep School in Thompson, Connecticut, which has been for over 100 years in educating students and graduating them to the top universities in the United States. Our curriculum in the high school mirrors the curriculum at MPrep in the United States. It is the same curriculum that students would get in the United States. Our after-school activities, some are slightly different and some are the same. We follow the ARROW standards. ARROW is Common Core Standards that has been adapted for international schools. Our students receive the same education that they would get in the United States. We are a university prep school. That means our number one motivation is to get students to go to the university of their choice. Our courses and our course selections are tailor-made for any American student that would want to go to university. So it's the exact same thing. The degree that the student gets when they graduate from our school is an American equivalent high school diploma. Our teaching methods at our school are modern 21st century teaching. In the lower school, with the youngest kids, it is play-based. And that means that students learn through playing different educational activities that go on in the classroom. Student-centered means that the student is at the center of the teaching and learning, not the teacher. So in our class, we will see teachers are not necessarily at the front of the class speaking and giving directions. This is very different than the traditional teaching and learning that happens in this country. In our high school, we have the AP, or Advanced Placement Program. It is run through the College Board in the United States, and these are courses that are first-year university courses. So students who take these courses are eligible, if they pass the course, to skip that first-year course at their university in the United States. So that's very different than maybe some other schools. Our facilities are phenomenal. Our physical education areas, such as our football field, is FIFA standard. Our swimming pool is a quarter Olympic size. Gymnasium is the same kind of a gymnasium that you would see in the United States. Our library reminds me of a community college library. It is a large library here, and we're sitting in the library. And you can see it is very modern, and it fits in with our school and with modern education. We have science labs that are physics science labs, chemistry science labs, and biology science labs. In addition, we have spaces for art, music, because we believe in educating the whole child. During the school year, we have many events that happen. Some are traditional American events, like our Halloween. We have traditional Vietnamese events, such as our Tet Fair. In addition to all of that, we have our own kinds of events, such as Golden Knights Got Talent. We have things such as our spelling bee. We have about 50 after-school activities that go on every week. Some are academic in nature and some are sports in nature. And this is really all part of our community. There are many benefits to coming to our school and to studying at our school. The first benefit, of course, is we are the one and only international school in our province. And we have universities that come into our school all the way from the United States because they know our students, again, get that American high school diploma. Anywhere in the world, it is accepted at every country in the world they accept our diploma. So that's a huge advantage. Right, so we have a school career and university counselor on campus. Career and counseling, that is a huge part of our school because we know many students, especially in Vietnam, they don't start applying to universities until they're near graduation. And we start preparing our students in grade 9 so that when they are ready to put out those college applications, they already have everything that they need in their toolkit to be the best candidate that universities are looking for all over the world. So it is not just the United States.